Stop working hard, start enjoying hard, and you'll go further. What do I mean by that? In life, when you're doing something that you don't want to do, or you're doing something that it's too difficult for your mind, then you won't go further on this thing because it will seem like you're forced to do it and you will stop doing it basically. But if you are doing something that aligns with your beliefs, that aligns with your values, and that you like doing, then inevitably you will go further in that thing. You will like to do it and you will enjoy doing it, which will make you better than most people at it, which will make you surpass the competition too. So that's why in this video I will explain to you why you should all stop working hard on the wrong things and start enjoying hard and working hard on the good things that you like. So the first point, you won't be working anymore. It's cliche, but it's true. Loads of people might have already said this to you online or in real life, that if you choose, for example, a career that you like, it won't seem like work, but it's more like a hobby, like a passion, like something you genuinely like. And because you like it, you will not feel that it's work and time will fly quickly, or just time won't fly. It depends on your perspective on this. But if you're doing something that you like, you will live a happier life. You will live a better life that is true to yourself. So that's why it's important to choose something that is aligned with yourself. Don't choose something that is trendy right now, but choose to work on something that you like in the core of yourself. I don't know if we can say it like this, but you understood what I mean. So for example, I like to create content. I like to make videos helping you guys. So that's why for me, making those videos doesn't seem like work. It's more like I'm talking to someone who wants to listen to me, which is why I like it too, because it's like having a conversation with someone that I know, and I don't see it as work. So it will be easier for me to keep doing it for a long period of time and see results in doing so. That's why choose something that you like and you will go further. Don't try to work on something that feels too complicated for you and feels not good, because yeah, you won't succeed with it. Some people have this talent to persevere on something that they don't like, and they manage to succeed in it, which is very good. But most of the people, it's better for them to do something they like so that they can succeed in doing it. For example, I like to go to the gym and I love training. So it never feels like something hard for me to go to the gym. But if you tell me to go to the swimming pool, for example, every day, it will feel hard at some point because it's not something that I like doing. So that's why you need to try to find for yourself what's good. A good question to ask yourself is, what would you do every day, even if you had $1 billion in your bank account? Like, ask yourself, what would you do if you had $1 billion in your bank account? Like, for example, for me, even if I had like 1 billion in my bank accounts, I would still make content. I would still go to the gym, train, and I would still have conversations with my friends. So that's what I like. That's what I like doing. I like to help people. I like to give value to people. I like to create content, and I like to train. So it's something that I will keep doing no matter what. Next point, your work will be more genuine and authentic. That's the best part about doing something that you like. And in the content creation context, if you're making videos and contents about a topic that you like, you will feel more authentic in those videos that you're doing, because you will feel that you're talking to a friend, because you're talking about a topic that you are interested to. Like, for example, I'm not interested too much about politics and about medicine, for example. So if I talk with someone about those topics, I won't be like too much invested in the conversation like I'm here. I won't have the energy, in the same level of energy like I'm having here, for example, because I'm not talking about something that I like. But here, I'm talking about content, I'm talking about YouTube, I'm talking about mindset, which is something that I like to talk about. So I will feel more genuine and more authentic when I'm talking to you about this, because I will be more open about my opinions on it, and I will share everything I know about those topics. That's why this is a very good benefits of doing something that you like and you enjoy, and something that is true to yourself, because you will be more valuable to the people that consumes your content. Now, the next point is consistency. It will always come back on this channel. Even if you're in the business world, you will always hear about consistency. But what you need to understand about consistency is that if you do something you like, consistency is the easiest part. Like, it's been like 4 years for me that I go to the gym. It was not difficult for me to stay consistent with the gym, because the gym is just part of me. It's something that I like. So it will never be difficult for me to wake up, get ready, and go to the gym. It's just natural now for my psyche and for my way of living. It needs to be the same for you in what you're doing as work. Imagine now you're working as a content creator, you're making videos about, I don't know, drop shipping, because it's your business. Now imagine it becomes part of you. Like, you don't care about the views, you don't care about the results, you don't care about the hate. You just do it because you like doing it. You will stay consistent for the longest period of time that you can, because it will just be normal for you to make videos about dropshipping. It will be normal for you to keep going no matter what. And that's the mindset that you need if you want to succeed in any endeavor. If you want to succeed in the gym, if you want to succeed in content creation, if you want to succeed in business, you need to have this consistency on your side. So keep this in your mind. You have to be consistent in any any endeavor if you want to succeed. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you're smart. It doesn't matter if you have the money. It doesn't matter if you have the connections. If you're not consistent on one thing, if you quit too early, you won't succeed. It's like the story of the rabbit. I don't know if you call it a rabbit in English, but it's the rabbit against the turtle. And the rabbit lost the race against the turtle because the rabbit just stopped in the middle of the race, because he thought that even if he stops, the turtle will never beat him because the turtle is too slow. But the turtle never stopped running. The turtle kept going until he arrived at the finish line. And that's the same with your business or with your content creation. If you stop, even with all the qualities that you have, even if you have the money, you have the connections, you have the good communication style, if you stop, the guy that never stopped and that is maybe less skilled than you will eventually beat you, because consistency is on his side. That's why you need to keep being consistent. Never stop. Keep the momentum going up. Volume won't be a problem. It's also major benefit too, because if you do something you like, you can do it loads of times every day. You will never stop doing it. Like, if you tell me to go to the gym 2 to 3 times a day, if I have time, it won't disturb me because I like going to the gym. It's easy. If you tell me to make 3 videos a day, I will do it because it doesn't bother me. I like to do it. You need to have the same mindset for this. I had a period of my life where it was like 2 years ago something. I was tweeting 30 to 40 times a day, and for me it was not enough, like, because I like to write, I like to tweet things. So I was like tweeting value and mindset game to people. And yeah, someone told me, how do you do to tweet like 30 times a day? How do you find time to do it? For me, it's like, I like doing it, so it doesn't bother me at all. Like, I do it while I'm waiting for the bus, for example. I'm doing it while I'm in a restaurant. I'm doing it while my friends are talking to each other and I don't have a clue about the topic of the conversation. So I'm just writing tweets instead. And when you do something that you like and something that you enjoy, or something that at least aligns with you, then you will find yourself being consistent in it, and you will find yourself doing lots of this thing. So that's why, for example, in this YouTube channel, I'm trying to do at least 2 videos a week. But if I have time, if I want, I can make more videos, because it, it's something that I like doing. I like to create, I like to produce. So that's why I think that you should all try to and aspire to find something that is worth doing for you. Don't try to follow what everyone says you should do, but do something that you like. And especially in the content creation space, if you are a content creator and you want to feel authentic and genuine in the eyes of your audience, you should all make videos on topics that you find interesting, because people will just feel it that you're not authentic enough. And this will lead to people losing trust in you, and people will never buy from you if you just make videos that you don't enjoy. You will attract great people because good work attracts good people. So it leads to what I just, it's linked a bit to what I just said. If you make videos by being authentic and by being genuine, you will attract authentic and genuine people too, because they will feel the energy that you're transmuting to them, and they will just trust you more because you're like them. People always like people that looks like them, talk like them, and or think like them. If you're someone that is genuine and that makes authentic videos true to himself, you will attract people like this too. And those people are the best leads because they like you, they trust you, and they feel that they know you because they're all like you. So it will be easier to convert them into customers. They will pay high tickets, and you will enjoy to work with them, and you will actually produce results for them. So that's why it's important for you to, in the beginning of your journey, choose a niche that is aligned with your values, because it will make the whole process easier. I don't say that making videos about something that you don't like won't work, but it will certainly be more difficult. So that's why you need to be authentic. So the A for it's authentic. You need to be genuine. The G, because you're a G, G for genuine. AG, need to be genuine if you want to attract good people. This point is very important, and for me, it's the best one. You won't be stagnating. Stagnation is the biggest enemy of growth and success. If you do something that you don't like, you will miss days here and there. You won't be invested in your videos. You will just feel unauthentic. People won't trust you. So this will lead to stagnation. You'll make some money, then you will lose everything. And you will just be demotivated because you will not be able to go the whole way back to something that you don't like. But if it was something that you liked in the beginning, even if you lose everything, it won't matter for you if you have to do everything back, because you like it anyway. So it doesn't matter for you if you have to do the whole process back. But if it's something that you don't like, it will be a big problem for you to redo it again, redo it again, and redo it again until you have the same results that you had before. So it will eventually happen that in your journey you will be stagnating. But my point here is that at least if you do something that you like, you won't feel that you're stagnating, because it will just be part of the game. Like, okay, I don't get the same views as usual, but it doesn't matter because I still like doing those type of videos anyway. So fuck what those people think. I will keep making videos. Like, even if I have like 0 views per video, I do it for the fun. I do it for the laws. I like doing it. So you need to have this mindset too. Do something that you like. You won't be stagnating anymore. See you guys soon.